guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an at-home spa, at-home facial routine. So just sit back, relax and unwind, and we're going to be doing this like a DJ, like Jamaican DJ style. So this music is just giving me vibes and inspiration. So I'm just gonna talk and then play the music and then talk again, and then that's how we're gonna do it.
I can't escape. You're in too deep. We're losing sleep. This feeling so real. My body's calling for you. Don't you know my body's always calling for you? You know my body's always calling for you. I can't help that I'm always aching for you. You know my body.
Okay guys, so at this point I finished everything, so I'm just basically showing you all the skincare products that I'll be using for this spa routine. And yeah, we're using this is a steamer that I got here in Japan. I'm just putting that on the cool function for the humidification of the room, and then we're just gonna drink some tea and ensure that the room is nice and cozy. I have my candles and everything. Okay, so we're gonna begin.
I can't escape. You're into.
Okay guys, so I'm using this cleansing oil. It's from Glow. It's basically gel and oil mixed together, so you have to shake them up or shake it up in order for it to activate. And I basically cleanse my skin. I always double cleanse. This is cleansing oil. It's a little bit blurry as you can tell, but then after that we went in with our cleanser. This one is the Fig Foam cleanser from I'm From. What I basically do is to try to rub it up in my hand or my hands to get it nice and foamy. Then I turn on my heater, the steam function, no, the warm function. I turn it on, and then I start to apply the cleanser. While I'm steaming, I am cleansing, and I am trying to ensure that the cleansing process is done thoroughly. Like whenever you're doing your skincare, especially like a spa or at-home facial routine, you have to make sure to cleanse your skin. It's very, very important, because nothing else will work if your skin is not cleansed. After that, we went in with this toner from Glow likewise. So the cleansing oil is from Glow. This toner is from Glow. It's basically very citrusy, but it works very well. And I enjoy the fact that you can just press the top and then toner can come out basically on the cotton pad. So it's very easy and convenient. So I'm just toning my skin, as you can tell, because we're going to go in with something that is going to scrub the skin. This is the I'm From Fig Foam scrub. This is sugar and fig. Okay, this is going to be my exfoliation routine. This is what we're going to use to exfoliate the skin. With this product, you can't rub it too hard, guys. You have to just gently massage it. And I turned on my heater now just because I want the warm function or the warm steam to hit the crystals of the sugar to ensure that it is nicely absorbed into my skin. While I'm rubbing it, it is exfoliating, and it's just going to make my skin nice and supple.
Take that, take me right back. Say you want that, let me please you, cater to you. Boy, I want you, don't you know?
Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in with this one. This one is just going to get my skin nice and calm. This is mugwort. So the mugwort is going to help my skin to calm down, because you remember I applied the the sugar scrub, so we actually exfoliated even though we did it gently. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply the mugwort onto my skin all over the face. I'm going to leave it there, and then during that time I'm going to make dinner. Today's dinner is not going to be extra. I'm just going to make some shin ramen. So I'm going to relax and let you just watch me eating my ramen. Okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with the She Glam plumping gloss. This one is super icy and cool, so it gives your lip that icy plumping effect and it's not burning, and I prefer the icing plumping look and the feel. So after that, we're gonna go in with our licorice calming pad, like toning pads. Yes, I'm gonna go in with this now, and I'm going to just tone again. So even though we toned before we added the mask and so forth, we have to tone once more. And I'm just gonna go in with this toner, and then right after I apply the toner, then we're gonna go in with our Rovectin Cica Care ampule, and this is just going to give my skin hydration it needs after doing everything that we did. And then right after that, I'm going to go in with my salicylic acid for acne treatment. Guys, this is my favorite brightening serum. This is the Carities brightening serum. I just use this to brighten the areas of my skin that I want to brighten. And then after that, we're gonna go in with our snail mucin from CosRX.
Ain't too late for things to fall into place. Let's take it slow on my pace. Heard you, are you on your way? I can't escape. You're in too deep with
just going to sit a little bit because the heater is on and my skin is always getting dry, so I like to turn on the humidifying function on the heater or steamer and just do all of that. So just enjoy the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy this one and goodbye.
Say you love me, I don't mind. Come inside. Try to keep it right